Hi, I am Rasan Samarasinghe. This is my LSL video. In this video, I explain about various artifacts that I have created in Second Life and how I have programmed them using Linden Scripting Language. To access Second Life, I use this client software, Imprudence. The area reserved for my work is number 5. Within this area, I have created a house and some artifacts associated with it. First of all, to enter this garden, I click on this gate object. It's reacting to the avatar when avatar touch it. And there's a pond in this garden. The texture that I have applied for water is animating using a script, and there's a lamp in the corner. The current state is off. When avatar touch it, it changes its state to on and displaying a message, Rasan turn on Rasan's lamp, and it's blinking. Its light changes its color on each second by using a timer function, and when avatar touch it back, it changes its state back to off. Let's see the other side. There are a few chairs where avatar can sit. Just click on any chair to sit on them immediately, and it displaying a message, hello Rasan Gamachige, thank you for sitting down. And click this stand up button to stand up and walk. This is a bird in the corner. It has a sensor to detect avatars nearby, and then it makes bird sound. When avatar moves away, it will stop making this sound. This bulb is exactly similar to other bulb we met in other corner. You can touch it to turn it on and turn it off. Let's come to the doorstep. There is a sensor to detect avatar name and displays this welcome message. In the right side, this is a visitor recorder which has a sensor to detect avatars nearby and records their names. I can access that list later. When avatar touches this doorbell, there is a buzzer inside house connected with it and making sound and displays detected avatar name on that buzzer. This is the main door to enter to the house, but it is password protected. When avatar touch it, it prompts a message to enter password on channel 5. Let's open it. Let's type open the password on channel 5. Door will be open and you can enter. This door will be closed automatically after a few seconds. There are few chairs to sit down. Avatar can touch them to sit immediately and displaying thank you message for the avatar. This object is called chat repeater. You can touch it. The chat repeater says tell something on channel 9, and I will repeat that. Let's say something on channel 9. And press enter. Yes, cat repeater is repeating what I have said. Hello world. There is a TV in the corner. Touch this TV screen to start animate texture of it, and also it plays a sound. Just touch it back to turn it off. There is a lamp. Currently it is turned off. When avatar touch it, it turns on and displaying the message Rasan Gamachige turn on Rasan Gamachige's lamp. The avatar name turn on the object owner's lamp. And when avatar touch it back, it turns off. There are bulbs around this house, in here, and in here. They are connected with this switch using channel communication. These bulbs are listening to this lamp switch, the commands coming from it. When avatar touch this switch, bulbs are turning on, and touch it back to turn them off. There is another chair similar to other chairs. Just touch it to sit down. There are some books placed on this rack. Touch them to get a note card object. You can read them and keep them if you want. This is the stats pyramid placed on the rack. Just a random object which displays your current region name and total number of times it has been touched. When you touch it, it displaying hello Rasan Gamachige. You are currently in region Central Bedfordshire. This has been touched 207 times, and the same message printed on its surface. This is a water filter. There is a glass of water besides it. You can touch it. But if you want to get a glass of water, you have to touch this water filter. When you touch it, it will display a dialog box with options for hot, cool, and normal glass of water. Select any option, and water filter will give avatar a glass of water based on the choice he made. Select keep option to add it into your inventory. I click keep button. Okay. It gave me a glass of water. I can check that on my inventory. Here it is. you can use it. Yes, when you touch it, it's saying this is a glass of hot water. This is a clock displaying current PST time on its surface, and also display time when avatar touch it. Current time is displaying each time when you touch it. This is a digital photo frame which changes its photos automatically after few seconds using timer event. Just put photos from inventory and it will display all photos as in a loop. Let's come this side. There's a table and there's a radio on this tabletop. You can touch it and it plays a sound. Each time avatar touch it, it plays this music. There is another lamp in this corner. Currently its state is off. Avatar can touch it and it's displaying a dialog box. Please choose light color. You can select a color for the bulb and bulb color has been changed. You can touch it and select different colors from this dialog box, or even you can turn it off by selecting off option. There is an audio system. You can touch it and it displaying lyrics of songs line by line. Actually it is reading these songs, song lyrics from a note card, displaying line by line to avatar. And in here there is a fan on the ceiling and it is connected with this fan switch. Avatar can touch it and fan starts to work, and when avatar touch the fan switch again, the fan turned off. Let's go inside this room. There is a sliding door. Avatar can touch that door. The door will be smoothly open. And in this corner there's the buzzer that we connected with the doorbell. The buzzer is making sound when avatar touches the doorbell, and also this buzzer is displaying who has pressed the doorbell. It detects avatar name and it's saying speaker doorbell Rasan Gamachige, because I am the last person who touched this doorbell. And on this table there is a book. Avatar can touch it and it's displaying a message book. The book, an object owned by Rasan Gamachige, would like to attach to your avatar. If you click yes button, this book will attach to your avatar. Actually it's not working this moment because I think my internet is too slow at this moment. That's why it's not working, but I have created script to attach this object to the avatar. And there is a ball when avatar collide it, it should display a message to the avatar each time when avatar collide on that object. But actually my internet connection is too slow at this moment, so some of these features are not working properly. Let's see the script of it. When avatar collide with that, this collision start function will be triggered and it will display no pushing on the screen. It's not working at this moment. And there is a lamp in this corner. In lamp script, I have added change event and many conditions inside change event to find out corresponding changes happening to this object and display particular message. For an example, when this object changes its color, it will display a message, the color or alpha changed. Now let's touch this object. Now when avatar touches this lamp, it changes its color, and each time it changes its color, the change event is triggering and displaying the lamp color or alpha changed. And also you can change associated links of this object. Now it's displaying the number of links have changed. This lamp is displaying message every time when something changes. There's a web browser. By using this PC, you can browse web, touch it, it displaying a message, type URL on channel 11. Let's type an URL on channel 11. Press enter. You get this confirm window. Click go to page to confirm, and it opens this web browser window, and you can browse the URL through this web browser. Now let's come outside of this room. Now let's see where we have used various events given in the assignment. The first event is touch start. Most objects are used in touch start event. When avatar touch it, many objects are responding to the user. For an example, we can take this bulb. Let's see the script. Now in this bulb there are two states, default state and on state. Initially it's on default state. This is touch start event. When avatar touch it, it will display a message to the user and changes object state to on. And in state on, the lamp color is different, and there is touch start event on state on, and when avatar touch after turning it on, it displays a message and changes its state back to default state. So that's how touch start event works on each object. The second event is listen. This chat repeater is using listen event. Let's see the script of chat repeater. This chat repeater is listening to channel 9, and in this listen function it is displaying the message that user has entered on channel 9. The next event is timer. Let's see how timer works. Let's go outside of this house. There's a bulb in this corner. Blinks its light, changes its color on each second, and this bulb is blinking its light using timer function. Let's see the script of bulb. There is timer function. If color is red, it changes color back to pink color, and if the color is pink, it changes the bulb color back to red. And this process is happening on each second. We can change timer interval by using set timer event function. The interval time is 1 second specified in here. The next event is sensor. This welcome message is used in sensor. Let's see the script of this welcome message. It using a sensor and detects the avatar name and displaying a message to the user, welcome message with his name. And in the script you can change the sensor distance. I have set it as 5 meters. Next event, the data server event. Let's open this door. This audio system is using data server event. Let's see the script of it. This script is reading this note called lyrics and displaying lyrics line by line. Let's see the script, and it uses this data server event to read text lines from the note card. And the next event is changed event. We use that event for this bulb. This bulb has changed event. When something changes, it uses this change event. When something changes, it displaying a corresponding message. For an example, when color changes, it displaying the color or alpha changed. Whenever I touch it, you get this message, the color or alpha changed. And the next event is attach event. I have used that for this book to attach this object to avatar. In here I have used it. Actually this function is not working properly at this moment because my internet connection is slow. And collision, when avatar collide on this ball, it should display a message to user. Actually it also not working at this moment, unfortunately. See, in this ball script it uses collision start function, and when avatar collide with that, it should display, it's supposed to display no pushing on the screen. And also I have used this collision event for the pond as well. When avatar hit on the pond, it should display a sound, water sound, and it should display a message, keep away from the pond. It's on the outside of the house. This pond wall uses collision start function. It should display keep away from the pond on channel 0, and it plays a sound. This is how I have achieved all assignment activities given. Thank you very much.